Tat tarat tat tat.
Mantics, where teaching is not learning.
Hello guys, let's talk about the addition property of equality. The addition property of equality says that if we have value of A equals B, then we can take some other value that's called that C. Then we can add that both sides and it would not change the value of our equation. So by adding C to both sides, I can still get A plus C equals B plus C, which is still a true equation. So what does it mean for us in terms of solving problems? Let's take this as an example. Solve x minus 5 equals 12. Let's solve for x. Using the addition property of equality, I could simply add 5 on both sides. So, we have x plus 0 equals 17 because we solved it, leaving us x equals 17, and we were able to find the unknown.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name is Bienvenido C. Mauricio from 7 St. Thomas. Today guys, I'm going to teach you about linear equations involving absolute value. First thing that you need to learn about is how to solve for an absolute value. I have 4 examples here. What is the absolute value of negative 7? It is 7. And what is the absolute value of 7? It is also 7. And the other one is, what is the absolute value of 4? It is also 4. And what is the absolute of negative 4? It is also 4. Now guys, I'm going to proceed to linear equations involving absolute value. I have an example here. X minus 6 equals 5. There are two numbers whose distance from 6 is 5. These two numbers are 1 or 11. Thus, x equals 1 or x equals 11. Now, if you put them in the x's, they will become 1 minus 6 equals negative 5. And what is the absolute value of negative 5? It is 5. And if you put 11 on the x, 11 minus 6 equals 5. What is the absolute value of 5? It is 5. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Santinokin Emolfindo, and today we're going to learn about angles and types of angles. For the angles here, it's acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, and the normal 360. For acute, it needs to be 70 or lower to be classified as acute. For right, it's supposed to be an L shape and 90, specifically 90, or else you'll get a obtuse or a acute. For obtuse, it's supposed to be 120 degrees, so you can have this bent L shape. For straight, it's just a line and it's on 180 degrees. For reflex, it's a 220 since it's just a upside down version of obtuse. So it's a 220, and the 360 is just a line, or it's classified as well as a 0 degree angle. For the types of angles, we have congruent, vertical, adjacent, complementary and supplementary. And later, we're going to have a little review with these lessons after. For congruent, the meaning of congruent is when two angles are identical. Just like in this angle here, 4 and 3 is congruent. For vertical, it's when two angles are opposite to each other. Like this angle here, it's 1 and 2 are vertical. For adjacent, it's when two angles are next to each other. Like, again, the same one but different numbers, 1 and 4 are adjacent. Just like that. For complementary, it's when two angles add up into a right angle, aka 90 degrees. For the angle here, it's a 30 degree and a 60 degree. If you add them both, you get 90. For supplementary, it's when two angles add up into a straight angle or 180 degrees. From here, you can see there's a 70 degree angle and a 50 degree angle. When we add up that, we get 180. So now we already learned all of the lessons. Let's have a little bit of review / trivia. For the congruent side, which is congruent in the angle there, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer it. Since you're done, let's move on to the bigger one. For everything there, 1 asterisk equals the same number with the question there. Okay, what is B? It has an asterisk, so it continues to the other one. For 3, it's again the same one, so it's over there, but different at the top. And 2 is just the same. So I'll give you 10 seconds to answer that. Hopefully you've done that all. You can pause the video if you like, if you want to answer it more or understand it, since my handwriting's bad. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.
In this problem, we need to look for the variable y. First thing to do is to cancel 3x. We can remove it by deducting it by 3x. What you do on the left, you also do it on the right. You'll get the answer 5y equals 3 minus 3x. Then the next thing to do is to remove 5 from y by dividing 5y by 5. You also do it on the right side. And then the answer is y equals 3 minus 3x divided by 5.
Happy New Year! Hello, my name is Benvenido C. Mauricio.
Hello, my name is Santino Joaquin M. Olfindo.
Hello, I am Akil James Barotilla. Ito ang namangkigay, Mr. Gov Manaloto.
I am one of them.
We are the group of
Barotilla.
Barotilla. And this is